Hey guys, we're going to be making a beat today in GarageBand. Start off using just the hip-hop template and load that up. First thing you'll see is they already loaded up this drum for you, drummer. So we're not even going to use that. We'll go to new track, create, make sure to mute this one. And then we're going to go to electronic drum kit. I like this crate digger one. So then we can just record in our own drums. I'm going to set this to 90. Oops. 90. Put our metronome on. Get started. Change it. Sweet. Let's record that in. I'm not going to use that last part. Let's bring it back to here. And then hover over the top, then you can loop it out. So loop it like that. Go in here. Adjust the timing a little bit so you can hear this kick and whatnot. I don't really want to quantize it, but a tiny bit I do, so that's what's nice about the strength. So I'm going to set it to like 20%, it's a tiny bit, and then go down to 16th notes, tighten up a little bit, sweet, go down to bass. I already kind of know what I want to do there. Sweet. This piano's pretty nice. Let's record that in. I'm holding it out just because, I mean, for sustain, but also just makes it way easier to do these bars, loop them out to arrange everything. Kind of do the same thing. So piano, usually on the left. Mixing, you kind of want to picture like a stage, so like a drum set, even the drum set like hi-hat, snare, whatever. Like can be a little bit over to the right, maybe the guitar would be over here. So that's kind of how you can make panning a little easier, just visualize like the concert. Sweet. These are going to be pretty central, just bass and drums. See how that sounds. Actually, ensemble. Sounds from the beginning. We can turn this metronome off. I don't really need that anymore. Alright, so what I'm going to do right now is take the drums and then just scoot it back here. So then we can kind of have like an intro. Let's go to this knob over here to change to like mixing on this particular track. Take this loop off. Start here. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. You can add as much as you want. You can keep adding more instruments to it just here, but it's just the stock sounds and basically everything that it gives you, except for getting rid of this built-in drummer or making our own drums. So let's play it. If you learned something or liked the video, please like, comment, and subscribe.